Global condolences flooded in after Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat died in a helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu. An Indian Air Force helicopter crashed at Kunnur in the Nilgiris area of the southern states, killing the CDS and 11 people. Mr. Blinken expressed his sympathies through Twitter. My deepest condolences on the deaths of Indian Chief of Defence Staff General Rawat, his wife, and colleagues who perished in today's tragic accident. We'll remember General Rawat was an exceptional leader who served his country and contributed to the US-India defense relationship, Blinken said in a tweet. Mr. Rawat was a strong friend and collaborator of the United States, said the US envoy to India. The US Embassy sends condolences to the Rawat family and families of those killed in the sad helicopter incident in Tamil Nadu. As India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Rawat led a historic military reform. A staunch US ally, he oversaw a huge increase of India's defence relations with the US, the statement claimed. In September, he travelled 5 days throughout the US with General Mark Milley to examine military advancements and prospects to further our collaboration with the like-minded countries. His legacy lives on, it added. Russia envoy to India Nikolai Kurashev expressed sympathy with India. With deepest regret, learnt about the sudden demise of General Bipin Rawat, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other officers in the helicopter crash today. India lost its great patriot and dedicated hero, Kurashev said in a tweet. Russia has lost a very close friend who played a big role in promotion of our bilateral special and privileged strategic partnership. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh described Rawat as a smart guy, courageous soldier, and a pioneer. Tragic news. General Rawat was a wise man, a brave soldier, a pioneer, and a general host to me only a week ago. We mourn his death and that of his wife, and all killed in the terrible accident, Alice tweeted. The news devastated Japanese diplomat Satoshi Suzuki, deeply saddened by the tragic demise of General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff, his wife, and 11 armed forces personnel in an unfortunate accident at Sulur, Tamil Nadu. I extend my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members of the people killed in the accident, Suzuki said in a tweet. Former Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was among those who sent condolences. I was deeply saddened to learn about the deadly helicopter crash that killed India's Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and 11 others in Tamil Nadu. My thoughts and prayers are with the families of the victims. May they rest in peace, the former Israeli Prime Minister said in a tweet. Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.